A lion and a monkey. A monkey swings down from the tree and saw a lion resting under a big shady tree. He decided to have a little conversation.
Hello, Mr. Lion. What a beautiful day in the jungle. How are you feeling today?
Hello, Mr. Monkey. Yes, it is a lovely day. I am feeling quite good. The sun is warm and the wind is soft. How are you?
I'm great. I played with my monkey friends all morning. We were jumping from tree to tree. It was so much fun.
That sounds exciting. You monkeys are always so full of energy. Don't you ever get tired?
Sometimes we do, but we love to play too much. What about you? What did you do this morning?
I woke up early and took a long walk through the jungle. Then I found a cool place under this tree and rested. I like quiet mornings.
Do you always wake up early?
Not always. Sometimes I sleep until the sun is high. But today, I wanted to enjoy the fresh morning air.
That's nice. Do you eat early in the day too?
No, I usually eat in the evening when the sun goes down. The jungle is cooler and it is easier to move around and find food.
Oh, that sounds good. Have you ever tried eating fruits? We monkeys love fruits, bananas, mangoes, and berries.
I have smelled those fruits before. They smell sweet. I have never tried one. What do they taste like?
They are soft, sweet, and juicy. Would you like to try a banana?
Thank you, Mr. Monkey, but I think I will stay with my food. Bananas are not for lions.
Yeah, fair enough. But if you ever change your mind, I'll bring you one.
That's kind of you. So, Mr. Monkey, do you like living in the jungle?
Yes, I do. There are tall trees, fresh air, and lots of friends. Sometimes it's dangerous, but most of the time it's fun.
I agree. I love the jungle too. It is my home. But being the king of the jungle is not easy.
Why not? You're strong, brave, and respected by all animals.
That's true, but it also means I must protect others. I have to be careful and watch everything around.
Well, I never thought about that. That's a lot of responsibility.
It is, but I don't mind. I care about this jungle and everyone in it, even small monkeys like you.
Thank you, Mr. Lion, and we care about you too. We all feel safe when you're around.
That means a lot to me. Thank you, Mr. Monkey. You are very kind.
Do you ever feel lonely, Mr. Lion? I see you sitting alone many times.
Sometimes, yes. Not many animals talk to me. They think I am always serious or dangerous.
That's not true. You are wise and friendly. Maybe they are just shy.
Maybe. Talking to you has been nice, Mr. Monkey. I don't feel lonely when we talk.
Me too. I think we're becoming good friends.
I think so too. Maybe we can meet here every day and talk.
I'd love that. I can tell you funny stories from the treetops.
And I can tell you stories from the ground about the rivers, rocks, and the stars.
That sounds perfect. All right, I should go now. My family is waiting for me.
Of course. Be safe on your way. And remember, you're always welcome here.
Thank you, Mr. Lion. See you tomorrow.
Yes, see you tomorrow, friend.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.